Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself struggling with a bumpy ride or stubborn tire change, then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into the world of floor jacks. And not just any floor jack. We're showcasing the best 3-ton floor jacks that every DIY mechanic should have in their toolkit. Whether you're lifting your car for a simple oil change or tackling more serious repairs, these jacks promise to deliver stability, strength, and safety. So grab your toolbox and stay tuned as we unveil our top picks that could make your life so much easier. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Number 5. DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low Profile Hydraulic Trolley Jack. Your ideal assistant for all garage services. With a robust load capacity of 2 tons for 1,000 pounds and a versatile lifting range of 5.1 inch to 13. This product ensures you can effortlessly elevate your vehicle with ease. The advanced design combines lightweight construction with heavy-duty performance, allowing for smooth maneuverability through those tight garage spaces. Safety is paramount, featuring an overload protection valve that prevents mishaps, while the large saddle bolsters stability and vehicle protection, made from high-quality alloy steel. This jack is not only built to last, but has also undergone rigorous testing to ensure its reliability. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.3, it rightfully earns its place as one of the best 3-ton floor jacks in the market. Upgrade your garage toolkit with the DNA Motoring Jack and experience the convenience and dependability that savvy auto enthusiasts trust. Number 4. ProLift TF 2315P Gray Hydraulic Trolley Jack. Your ultimate lifting companion with an impressive load capacity of 3,000 pounds. This sleek black jack stands out not only for its robust design, but also for its functionality. With a minimum height of 5.25 inches and a maximum lifting height of 12 inches. It suits a variety of vehicles, making it one of the best 3-ton floor jacks out there. Constructed from all-welded steel, this trolley jack is built to last, resisting rust and ensuring durability. The large steel casters and swivel casters allow for easy maneuverability, while the sturdy carrying handle simplifies transportation. Plus, it comes with a blow-molded case for hassle-free storage, with an Amazon customer rating of 4.3. Users rave about its reliability and performance. If you're looking for a solid floor jack that meets both your lifting needs and provides an easy-to-store solution, the ProLift TF 2315P is a top-notch choice. Number 3. TCE Torin Hydraulic Low Profile Trolley Service / Floor Jack. Your go-to solution for hassle-free lifting. With an impressive 2.5-ton 5,000 lb capacity. This jack is perfect for servicing cars, trucks, and SUVs alike. Its low-profile design allows a minimum lifting height of just 3 1/3 inches up to a maximum height of 14.94 inches, making it ideal for a variety of vehicles. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this durable jack not only provides a sturdy grip, but also offers an attractive industrial luster. The safety bypass system prevents overloading, ensuring your safety during operation. The jack glides effortlessly thanks to its 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for seamless maneuverability under your vehicle. Rated 4.3 stars on Amazon. The TCE Torin Jack is perfect if you're looking for the best 3-ton floor jack for home or professional use. Upgrade your garage today with this reliable and efficient trolley service jack. Number 2. Jack Boss Floor Jack. A powerhouse in the world of automotive tools with a robust 3-ton capacity. This heavy-duty hydraulic car jack is your go-to for quick repairs and emergency lift situations. Boasting a lifting height that ranges from 5.1 inches to a whopping 18.3 inches. Crafted from durable alloy steel. This 300 pounds capacity jack features a rugged universal joint for precise load control. ensuring a safe lift every time. With flexible swivel casters, maneuvering the Jack Boss around your garage or shop is a breeze. Whether you're changing tires on cars, trucks, or SUVs, this jack meets ANSI/ASME safety standards, providing stability and ease of use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Customers rave about its efficiency, giving it an impressive 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Upgrade your garage with the Jack Boss Floor Jack, the ultimate solution for all your lifting needs. Number 1. Big Red T83006. The ultimate solution for your lifting needs and a standout choice for the best 3-ton floor jack. This robust hydraulic trolley floor jack boasts an impressive 3-ton capacity, 6,000 lbs, making it perfect for most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. With a minimum lifting height of 5.88 inches and a maximum height of 20.88 inches. This jack is designed for versatility and efficiency. Its durable alloy steel construction ensures long-term reliability while maintaining an industrial luster. Maneuvering is a breeze with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters. The single-piston quick lift pump lets you effortlessly reach the desired height, and the safety bypass system prevents overloading, ensuring secure operation. Additionally, the extra-long saddle neck saves you time when lifting higher vehicles. Rated at an impressive 4.4 stars on Amazon, the Big Red T83006 is backed by a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty, making it a fantastic investment for your garage. You won't regret adding this heavy-duty hero to your toolkit. In conclusion, a quality 3-ton floor jack is an essential tool for any garage or workshop, offering the right balance of strength, stability, and ease of use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, investing in the right jack will make your work much more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts, and share this video with fellow car lovers.